Vertical versus horizontal rolls in tube mill lines. One function of rollers in tube mill line. Horizontal rolls. These rolls perform the main shaping operation. Installed typically in pairs above and below the strip, they gradually bend the flat strip into a cylindrical shape. The precision of these rolls directly affects the tube's diameter, roundness, and wall thickness. They are responsible for progressive deformation, turning flat material into a near-finished tubular form. Vertical rolls. Positioned on the sides, vertical rolls guide the strip edges and prevent lateral movement. They don't bend the strip significantly but keep it aligned for a precise butt weld. Their presence helps avoid edge overlap or gap, ensuring a high-quality weld seam and dimensional stability. Two, machine tooling and maintenance. Horizontal rolls. Because they shape the tube, these rolls are often more complex, with precision grooves or contoured surfaces. They are usually made of hardened steel to resist wear and must be maintained to tight tolerances. Any wear or misalignment can cause defects like out-of-round tubes or thickness variations. Vertical rolls. These are generally simpler in profile but require very precise lateral positioning and even pressure application. Their maintenance focuses on keeping them properly aligned and free from damage that could cause uneven edge guidance. Three, impact on tube quality. Improperly maintained or misaligned horizontal rolls can lead to poor tube geometry, ovality, inconsistent wall thickness, and dimensional inaccuracies. Faulty or uncalibrated vertical rolls often cause seam misalignment, resulting in welding defects such as incomplete fusion or weld crack. At Lotus Forming, we not only design complete tube mill lines, but we also provide professional roll services that ensure precision, durability, and high performance in every production line. Got questions about tube mill design or forming systems? Leave them below, we're here to help.